2356
फर्स्ट CLP मीटिंग
इसको टच करने दे 2356
newly elected.
So 1 minute, sir, 1 minute, sir, 1 minute.
1 minute. Kalas Baba, kita hello discussions.
I just meeting to we congratulated our CLP leader Michael Lobo for being appointed as our CLP leader.
महेश थोड़ा नीचे कर थोड़ा
And we worked out on other strategy things on moving forward, preparing ourselves for the panchayat elections to directly in certain places we may not get involved, but other things about forthcoming budget, like we require some preparation for this kind of things to be done. That we will have other meetings for discussing this. But this is generally what we discussed. Nothing is suffering because of this. Everybody, it's not just petrol which rises. The moment petrol rises, transportation charges goes up, vegetable goes up, labor cost goes up. So many things happen, and these are not happy things which we see. There's something you have not asked me about, but I want to share with you. Do you remember one day when I came here, you all asked me about this free gas cylinders? And you remember what I had said to you all that day? I can't make a statement until I see that order. And I said it depends on various things what will be promised, because we must see the fine line, especially whether it will be free for all, whether there will be an income limit. And I think if you look back, the Chief Minister made a statement exactly in line what I have said, that it won't be for all. And we will put an income ceiling. So as what I had said and anticipated earlier, this whole scheme of giving 3 cylinders free, according to him, will not benefit anyone.
Thank you, sir.